Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be giving you tips on oral presentation. An oral presentation is more than just reading a paper or a set of slides to an audience. I want to tell you that how you deliver your presentation is at least as important in effectively communicating your message as what you say. So you have to use the guidelines in this video to learn simple tools that can help you prepare and give an effective presentation. Also to design PowerPoint slides that can support and enhance your talk. Now, preparing an effective presentation. I want you to note that an effective presentation is also more than just standing up and giving information to your listeners. You must try to identify what you want your audience to remember. You, the presenter, must also consider how best to communicate the information to your audience. Next are the tips that would help you create a presentation that is both informative and interesting. The first thing is you have to organize your thoughts. How to do this is to start with an outline and develop good transitions between sections. Number two is to have a strong opening. And the question is, why should the audience listen to you? One good way to get their attention actually is to start with a question, whether or not you expect an answer. The third one is to define your terms early. If you're using terms that may be new to the audience, for instance, you have to introduce them early in your presentation. This is because once an audience gets lost in unfamiliar terminology, it is extremely difficult to get them back on track. Number four, use simple language that is easy for people to follow. This is very self-explanatory. The fifth one is to finish with a bang. To achieve this, you have to find one or two sentences that sum up the importance of your research or presentation. You have to ask yourself, how is the world better off as a result of my presentation or what I have done? Next, you have to design PowerPoint slides to introduce important information. Here you have to consider giving a presentation without PowerPoint. Then consider which points you cannot make without slides. Create only those slides that are necessary to improve your communication with the audience. The seventh one is to time yourself. You do not have to wait until the last minute to time your presentation. You only have 10 or 15 minutes to speak. So you want to know as soon as possible if you're close to that limit. Next, you have to create effective notes for yourself. Have notes that you can read. You do not have to write out your entire talk. You have to use an outline or other brief reminders of what you want to say, and make sure that the text is big enough that you can read it from a distance. The last one is to practice and practice and practice. The more you practice your presentation, the more comfortable you will be in front of an audience. My next video will be on PowerPoint tips. Kindly stay tuned to watch the next video. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments. Also watch my video and subscribe to my channel.